So this is a follow-up video from my previous video, download historical data from Yahoo Finance using Python. On that video, I share a Python script to download historical price for a stock to a CSV file. And I got a couple requests asking how can we do this in Excel with multiple takers, since with a CSV file, we can only export one stock at a time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can export the historical price for multiple takers to an Excel file. So let me grab the query string from the previous video first, and I'll copy and paste to this script here. And from the import statement, I'm going to import the pandas module. Alright, so here let's set out our variables first. We're going to provide the interval, and let's do it by day. And here we have our tickers. And period 1, period 2. And we need to import the time module and the daytime module. Right, so here let's set out our time period first. And I'll copy paste the statement to here. And for the time range, actually let's do it from 2021, January 1st, all the way to today is the 10th. Let's do it to the 10th. Actually, let's do it to June 30. And since we want to export all the historical price into a single file, we need to create an Excel writer object. So from the pandas library, .excel writer, we're going to provide the file name, and let's call this historical price. Actually, prices .excel sx. And we can specify our engine to OpenPyXL or Excel writer. Let's use OpenPyXL. And I'll name the object as Excel writer. Next, we need to array the takers. So I'm going to say that for taker in takers. And we need to move the query string inside the loop. Next, I need to transfer the dataset to the Excel writers object. And it should be df to Excel. Inside the to Excel method, we need to provide the Excel writers object, then the sheet name. And for the worksheet name, I'm going to use takers value. And I want to import the index. And finally, we'll save the file. Now let me move the project folder here. I'm going to save the script and pause F5 to run it. And here's the historical prices file. Now let me open the Excel file. Right, so if we look at the Excel file, I should expect this Excel file has 5 tabs. And for the historical price, it's going to be from June 1st all the way to June 30th. So this is everything I'm going to share in this video. And hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.